What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, we're actually going to go ahead and test fit my wheels on the Q50. Almost at Ultima there. These will be the same wheels that I was running on Ultima though. So we'll see how they fit. They are 20 by 10 positive 35 offset on 245 35/20 tires. The wheels themselves are Vertini RFS 1.5s. So yeah, let's go ahead and get that set up. Alright, so I'm about to do some moving of the cars. I already moved the Cruise down the street just to make everything easier instead of having to deal with that being in the way. But I'm gonna be moving my wife's car out the garage and this one in the garage because they don't like you to be working on your car unless it's in a garage. I doubt that I'm going to close it like they want, but it's a little warm, so we'll see how it feels. Might be a little cooler if I do, but we'll see. But yeah, let me go ahead and start getting the cars moved and it's all in. But these wheels definitely got to go, and this fitment is not the business. So let me go ahead and start that process now. But yeah, sorry to say that was the cold start. So we're definitely gonna be getting an exhaust for the Q. It's not gonna be, it's probably gonna be the third major purchase I'll do in terms of mods. So not gonna be soon enough, but we definitely gonna get to it. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump to when I throw the wheels on. Not really gonna show that process, but I'll jump to that and then we'll kind of test it out, see how it feels, see if there's any rubbing or whatnot. Because with the Ultima I did have to roll my rear fenders, but we'll see how it's looking in the Q or feeling. Well, got the rears on and not too impressed with that look. Feel like it's making that gap look worse, but the wheel gap. But I guess it is a little better. I mean, if you compare it, look at this. Look how sunken in it is. I'm not trying to be in a sunken place. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and change that up. See how they all look, but just saying, can't wait for the suspension to come in. got them on. I've been driving it for a little bit. It feels a little more planted. When I first got them on, it just felt heavy. But now it's feeling pretty planted. Definitely need to wash the car and the wheels. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. Definitely helping fill, I won't say the tire gap, I'm not going to say that, the wheel gap, but it fills out more, as you can see. Fitment is more in line with the body than being in like the stocks were. So we're looking pretty good, and once we go ahead and get lowered, we're gonna be straight. So definitely stay tuned for that. The drop will be coming sooner rather than later. So yeah, I'm not gonna be monster trucking it for too long. I will be replacing that. I just gotta find a box that has my license plate frames in it. Not sure which one I'm gonna throw on there, but definitely gonna be switching it. But for now, I mean, it does fit. It fits with the chrome lip, the chrome on the car. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to be debadging it. I mean, not debadging it. Doing a chrome delete. That may be for down the road when I go ahead and get the car wrapped. That may be when I'll do it. But for now, while I'm running the chrome lips on the wheels, I'm going to go ahead and keep the chrome on it for now. Kind of how I did with the Altima. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Everybody was saying, well, not everybody, I had a few people saying, well, when you throw them on there, you think it's gonna look different from the Altima. I'm like, I mean, it's a similar profile, and I mean, same wheels, white car, but other than that, it's definitely different. But I definitely need to work on the exhaust, because this car sounds pretty quiet, and we don't need it to be quiet like that. But yeah, I'm loving it so far. Loving the car. Driving great. Pickup is great in it. The gas, the MPGs, that's another story. But yeah, I'm not driving in eco mode, so I'm just gonna have to get used to that. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna go ahead and do it for this video. But before we go ahead and end it, I want to go ahead and do the comment of the day. And the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you go ahead and leave a comment down below, and who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.